So after all the wonderful photographs that have been sent of all your bakes, I've decided to see if I can try a few of them. So this one is sticky orange pudding. So I've beaten together sugar and butter till it's fluffy, and then I've added flour and eggs. Now the last bit I'm going to mix in is 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and half the rind of an orange. The other half will be used for the orange sauce later. So I'm going to mix that in, and then I'm going to put it in my pudding dish. So I've thinly sliced an orange and I've simmered it in water for about 20 minutes. Now keep the water because that's going to be for your orange syrup later. So now I'm going to I've put my slice of oranges in, and I'm going to drizzle 3 tablespoons of syrup, golden syrup, over the oranges. I'm just going to guess. So there are my oranges in my dish. And here's my pudding mix. I'm going to level it off, and then I'm going to cover it in tin foil. Because this is a pudding, and when you put it, it's going in my slow cooker for the afternoon, so it's going to rise. So to cover it, I've got a piece of tin foil and just put a little fold in it. This will give a chance for it to expand and the steam to come up. I'm going to tie it with a piece of string tightly. And this is going to go in my slow cooker for between 3 and 3.5 hours. It'll go in the slow cooker, it'll be filled up with hot water to just over the middle, and then we'll cook it for a few hours, and then we'll see what the finished result's like. So my sticky orange pudding has been in the slow cooker for about 3.5 hours. Let's see if it turns out. Oh God, it has. Look at that. Wow. That's a big thing, isn't it? But enjoy that with some orange sauce and a bit of cream. So I've got my sticky orange pudding here. And I've made an orange sauce with orange juice, water, the rind of an orange, a bit of cornflour to thicken it, some sugar, made into a nice sauce, poured it over my cake, a little bit of cream. Let's try it. Oh. That is so delicious. I'm going to have some more. Sticky orange pudding with orange sauce and cream. Delicious.